Well, I took my walkabout, and a first happened. Inky and her three younger brothers and sisters followed me over here to my favorite resting place. I've walked around the three soccer fields 1.5 times, and all four cats trailed me this time. Usually just Inky, the older one, follows me. But yes, I'm the cat man. I got three kitties following me. I cut Titus out of my super giant print. I have so many Bibles, so I've got 2 pages to read here. You can see mercy and peace and grace in the middle. Up the top, faith in, elect, truth, hope of eternal life, joint heirs. God promised he must fulfill all his oaths and promises. And then Cretes are, it's amazing that Paul would say that all the Cretans are gluttons and liars. And that Titus is to put things in order that are lacking. Where is that? Appoint elders. Verse 5. For this cause or reason left I thee in Crete, that thou shouldest set in order the things that are wanting or lacking or incorrect.